Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I will be showing you how to check for malware on iPhone. So guys, iPhones are highly secured and designed so that third-party apps cannot access your phone. So pretty much to investigate or check for malware on iPhone, there are few methods. So first is check for any unfamiliar application into your app library. And if any apps that you don't recognize, you can just simply hold it and just simply remove the app, and pretty much this can help. Now, another one to check is you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your device, and you could just simply go ahead and go for the battery. And now over here, you will have an option of multiple apps that is being used. So pretty much if you have an application over here that consumes a high percentage of your battery, mostly that is the issue. So pretty much just simply delete it. Now, another option is you could just simply go ahead and restart your iPhone. So restarting your iPhone can mostly fix the issue. Now, to really make sure, you could also go ahead and open up the App Store, and you could just simply search for a security application like Avast, and pretty much these applications are very useful when it comes to checking if there are any malware on your phone. So you can just simply download this app and run a scan through your phone. This will check if you have a malware. And also you could use other applications like Norton or Malware Bytes. Pretty much you could just simply try other apps that you might want to consider. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.